Hey tenor drummers, today is such an amazing day! The moment Preston Mills and I have been waiting for has finally arrived. My Rampad Tenor Pack is here. I've been waiting so long for this moment. So just to give you a recap, I originally ordered a very similar pad from a different company back in July 2020, and it had a 6 to 8 week turnaround time, but 6 to 8 months later, I still didn't have my pad. So I got my money back from that pad by disputing the charge with my credit card company, and then I went ahead and bought a Rampad Tenor Pack. I am so excited to share this with you. It just arrived today. All I've done is cut the tape around it, but I wanted all of you to be with me when I first open it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, are you kidding me? Alright, let's get this stuff off. Woo-wee! Oh, this thing looks incredible. Let's see, we have some mounting hardware. Not sure if I'll use this at all, but it's okay. So I actually talked to Robin, the owner of Rampad, before I ordered this, because I kind of wanted to make sure I was actually going to get a pad this time. So I got a little bit of information about it. It's basically built on an aluminum base, so it's really sturdy, and there's pads right underneath here. And so basically the drum head just sits on top of the pads, kind of like a plateau. There isn't actually tension on these heads, but they're basically to help with a little bit of articulation and just to give you that feel and that look of playing on real drums. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this box here and let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so you can see the bottom here. You got each of the drum spots cut out, and let's go ahead and just lay it down. Oh my gosh, this thing is so nice. I don't know if I even want to play it. I don't want to scuff it up. It just looks so beautiful. Okay. It's a little pitched. It feels pretty good. The version of the pads that I got is actually the symphonic series, or the pad that's actually underneath it. It has a little bit more give, kind of like a concert snare, but it'll also have it be a little bit more responsive when I put triggers on it, and then I'm going to play around with the sounds and all that fun stuff. Robin also included the pads that go underneath here for the marching series, which has a little bit more rebound. It's not quite as of a soft feeling, so I'll switch those out if I need, but I'm going to go ahead and try the concert series first so I can play around with my triggers and stuff like that. I really don't even want to play on you because I don't want to get you messed up at all.
Whoa! What do we got over here?
Oh, hey.
Yeah, let me see that.
Well, I'm trying to keep this really nice. I don't really want to...
Oh, come on, man. I brought my sticks.
Those Bill Bachmans?
Yeah, you know real men play with billy clubs.
These things are really beefy, and I'm trying to keep this nice right now.
Oh, man, look at that thing. Oh, you gotta let me try it.
Yeah, I just got it today, guys, okay? I'm kind of in the middle of something here.
Oh, man, you gotta let me try that thing, though.
Are those f***ing Cheetos?
Yeah, breakfast of champions. You want some?
No, I don't want any. I'm not trying to get this thing all orange.
Don't worry, I'll lick my fingers first.
Guys, just please go. Go.
Alright, fine.
Out the door. Yes. Go.
That's not cool, man.
Close it all the way. Gotta kind of pull. Close it.
Man, f*** off.
Alright. Sorry about that. Don't worry. I won't let them hurt you. Thank you, tenor drummers. Please give this video a like. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. I really appreciate it. You'll be seeing much more of this pad in the future. Alright? See you on the next video.
Hey, tenor drummers. Oh, look at me. I know how to play drums, yeah.
Oh,
Hey, look at me, I'm a tenor drummer, hey!